Are you ready to get started with mocopi? Well, let me show you how quick and easy it is. In the box, you'll find a quick setup guide, a case for your sensors, and the clips and straps needed to attach them. Now, grab a compatible smartphone and download the mocopi app from the Google Play or Apple App Store. This app will help you create videos with your virtual avatars and is needed for setup. Within the mocopi app, you'll notice some pre-made avatars. However, creating a personalized avatar is half the fun. The mocopi app works with third-party apps like Vroid to create custom avatars. Actually, I'm going to download Vroid and create one right now. In the mocopi app, follow the instructions to pair the sensors. Make sure the numbers and letter sequences on the back of the sensors matches the app. Once paired, use the included straps and clips and place them. The sensors are labeled to make this easy. The first sensor goes on the back of your head. The two wrist sensors need to be placed on the outsides of your wrists. The hip sensor clips on the back. Try and clip this directly onto your belts or the top of your pants and not your shirt. The ankle sensors need to be placed on the outside of your ankles. After placing the sensors, the mocopi app will ask you to take a step to calibrate the sensor locations. Okay, let's have some fun. I'm going to import the avatar I created earlier with Vroid. You can use the included backgrounds, or with AR, you can record just about anywhere. All you have to do is press the record on the mocopi app. What you do from there is up to you. Within the mocopi app, you can make your avatar different sizes, move them around the screen, and change their orientation. You can also have your avatar be the star of the show and mirror your movements while you're standing just off camera. The mocopi app records audio, so you can do some great voiceover work with your avatar. Mocopi gives you the ability to bring a design of your imagination into the real world for others to see, wherever you decide to post it. There's practically no limit to what you can do with mocopi, so show us what you got. I'm Geoff with Sony. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.